Just got here. Chris is over here checking out the sign. This is where his grandparents' ashes are. Are you excited to see your grandparents?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
It's pretty, yeah. I'm gonna walk up here. This is dangerous.
Okay, just don't fall in. Woo! Slippery. Slippery, slippery. Here we go. Look at that. It's magnificent. Look at this rock over here. You see him? He wants to jump from there all the way down there. He's crazy. I'm picturing you, you're picturing me.
My legs are burning from just that.
Right? The roots are cool. This is our last meal here in the mountains. We just watched this beautiful sunset. Harrison? No. We got veggies, rice, chicken, and some wild cherry water. Harrison, we love you. Are you gonna miss the mountains? He says, I just want the food. I just want the food, guys.
No begging.
I'm gonna miss the mountains. I love you.
Love you.